Well, it's Christmas time, so I bought myself a little present. And those of you that are into electronics and go to various electronic people's YouTube channel should probably recognise this this gadget, especially by the colour, because the colour should definitely give it away. If I can get it out the bag. Okay, here we go. Because now I can't get the end cap off. Alright, maybe that gives you a clue from the colour. Oh, some batteries. That's convenient. Some AAA Energizer batteries, very nice. So anyway, yeah, probably recognise the blue and yeah, it's Dave Jones's EV blog BM786 multimeter. So yeah, I thought I'd treat myself to one of Dave's meters, and I've got various meters, but you know, you can never have enough. So I picked one of Dave's up as a little Christmas present to myself, and it looks very nice, Dave. I'll put some batteries in and try it out. Stand by. It's got quite an interesting battery holder that actually separates from the meter. It slots in there, screws in, and holds the 3 AAA batteries. So that battery there is a little tough to get in. You have to put these 2 batteries. Once you've got these 2 batteries in, that one goes in easy. Don't try and put this this last battery in, this one. Don't try and put this one in first. Put these 2 in and then that one. It goes in a lot easier that way. I like that, Dave. It's very cute, and it's true. Just a plain white box and a couple of plastic bags. So I thought I'd peel this off for you guys. I know you like to see this get peeled off. There we go. Just for all you guys that like to see that plastic peeled off, I've just stuck the temperature probe in there, and that's the room temperature right now that I'm in, and that's in centigrade or Celsius and Fahrenheit, which we use over this way. So yeah, nice display. Take the temperature probe out. These sockets are good and tight. There we go. And what else can we do here? There's a capacitance test. What is it saying? Oh, am I on diode? Maybe I'm on diode test. That's diode test. There we go, capacitance, alright. So that's diode, that's capacitor. Yeah, should have seen the symbol at the top. I missed that. There's the diode symbol at the top there. Come on, focus. Just about. Yeah. There's the diode symbol. Okay. That's capacitance. resistance, and there we go, auto ranging. Very nice, Dave. Very nice looking meter. Cat 4 600, Cat 3 1000. I shall be happy to give this a try out. Not sure what this is for though. What does this hold? Cables maybe? Or the probe? No. I'll have to look at the instructions, unfortunately. That's a rare occasion when I look at instructions. But yeah, this is interesting. Obviously you can hang it, but and put your meter probes in on either side. So yeah, the backlight is really good. It's very nice, and it illuminates the display really well. You can definitely see that. It looks brighter actually on camera, but it's a good even display, and it lights it up very well. Viewing angle isn't so good. It's okay straight on. The viewing angle when you go up above, it's not very good. Yeah, when it's backlit, that viewing angle fades quite a lot. You got a lot more viewing angle from beneath, but when you go up, you don't. It does fade out pretty badly. Not sure if there's a contrast adjustment on the meter, but there might be something I need to look at. Anyway, there we go. That's the Bryman 786, BM 786 from Dave Jones EEV blog. I quite like this option, these 4mm option for the test leads, which will unscrew and leave a regular probe there, and then onto that you can fit a cover and just allow the tip to be visible. So that's a nice touch. I quite like that option, and looks like they're nicely gold plated as well, because they're not going to focus. There we go. And put the other cover on. Okay, why is it not going on? Do we have a fail here? Ah, there we go. It was me. So let's put it on, I think that's continuity. Select. Yeah, there's continuity. Let's see how quick it responds. Ooh, that's nice. I like the backlight indicator as well. That's a nice touch, Dave. Very responsive. Yeah, very nice. So another nice feature this meter has, Notice I've got it on the resistance range, and I've got the common black lead plugged in. If I plug this into the amp socket, it complains and flashes well, it complains and shows I've got an error. And let's try plugging it into the other one. Yeah. So if I put this on current, and it stops complaining, which is a nice feature. So it's a safety feature which is built into the meter, which is quite nice. I like that. It's always good to have a reminder that you've got your leads plugged in the wrong place. Yes, very nice, Dave. I do like that meter, and it'll certainly get some use. And if anybody's not familiar, it's from Dave's shop, Dave Jones, who does the EEV blog, and the meter's made by Bryman to Dave's specifications, which are really nice. So thank you very much, and we'll have fun using that meter. That's the Bryman 786 BM 786 from Dave Jones EEV blog. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks again. Bye for now.